Hmm. Came out a lot better than I expected. I know there's a few spots here and there, but actually not bad. It's not good. It's not the best job ever by a long shot, but it's actually not terribly bad. It's not terrible. Like I said, not the best job, but I'm surprised.